the TinyTV 2. 3 years ago, we came out with the TinyTV Kit. And it's been really popular, and we kind of took people's suggestions on how to improve that.
We designed TinyTV 2 from the ground up as a finished product. It has a higher resolution screen and working channel and volume knobs.
You can use a remote with it, and you can easily program your own videos onto it. And we've even made a smaller version of it, the TinyTV Mini, which is about half the size of the TinyTV, so it's super cute.
It was a real challenge to fit the screen, a rechargeable battery, and a micro SD card in such a small package, but we're really excited to do it.
Tiny Circuits, we're a maker and a manufacturer of small electronic products. We've actually been on Kickstarter 5 times before now. Last year we came out with the Thumby. Super successful. We've made over 10,000 of those so far. And we're back now with the TinyTV 2 and TinyTV Mini.